How to delete an email account in Hostinger. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Email tab on the left side of the screen. And on this screen, you need to click and enter the mailboxes section corresponding to the domain in which the email account is associated. I have only one domain in my account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain in your Hostinger account, select the domain's mailbox to delete an email account in Hostinger. Here you can see I have 2 email accounts associated with my domain in Hostinger, and I need to delete this email account. Select the 3-dotted More option corresponding to the email account that you want to delete. And next select the Delete tab from the list of options. And again, confirm deleting the email account, as once deleted, all data in the email account will be permanently erased. And done. The email account has been deleted in Hostinger. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.